Start with this step if you want to change your life. Listen, please listen. We all can have what others have. We all can do what others do. Yes, it is possible. Why? Because if you want to become a very good hairdresser, let's say, okay, you go to someone who can teach you how to become a very good hairdresser. That's a skill. You can learn that. Or if you want to become a soccer player, you go to someone who can teach you to that. You want to become a person who does nails. Very good. You go to someone who can teach you to do that. All those things that other people do, you can do them too, because they are skills that everyone can learn. Okay? Now, the only thing that stops you not doing those things is yourself. How? By believing the beliefs you have about yourself, your possibilities, and your abilities. That's the only thing that stops you. It's nothing else that stops you. If we tell ourselves, I can't do this, well, I'm not really that good, or it's gonna be very hard, or it's gonna take too long. How? How can we change our lives? We can't. So, stop complaining about your life. Because at the end, it's just one choice, okay? You need to choose to do something about it. Because the same way the other people did it, you can do it too. Yes, for some people it might take longer. For some people not so long. But it doesn't matter. If you want to change your life, then do it. It's your life. If you decide to change your life, if you want to change your life, the first step that I would like you to start with is to be aware, to recognize those beliefs that stop you, that hold you back in life, that hold you in your comfort zone. Recognize them, challenge them, look for proof, and then shift them into more realistic beliefs. There is nothing that can change your life. There is not a magic tablet that can change your life. There is not a magic powder we can throw in the world and people changes their lives. No. It's a choice. It's up to us. Stop blocking yourself. Stop looking for excuses. Stop blaming others. Take action.